Oxygen-free vacuum. Gradient temperature control. Low temperature eutectic. Voidless soldering. The vacuum solder Reflow oven VSR20 is dedicated to high-quality soldering of precision devices. Graphical operating system supports customizable multi-segment process recipes, with one-click recall and reuse of historical temperature profiles. Excellent soldering quality. Static soldering prevents product displacement or cracking. During soldering, bubbles escape from the solder under vacuum. Solder joints are of high purity with a void rate below 2%. High uniformity temperature and high precision control. PID control achieves temperature accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, with temperature uniformity better than plus or minus 2%, ensuring consistent soldering quality and improved product reliability. Dual cooling system with water cooling plus nitrogen cooling reduces cycle time, improving throughput and soldering yield. Various optional modules are available to accommodate different process requirements. The VSR20 can be widely used in semiconductor lasers, RF microwave modules, IGBTs, and more, serving applications in LiDAR, aerospace, military manufacturing, and other high-demand fields. The vacuum solder Reflow oven VSR20 enhances quality and efficiency